Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Stephanie from Monkey See Monkey Cruise, and we're going to go ahead and take a tour at Universal Orlando's Aventura Hotel. And if you like this video and you find it informative, please like it and subscribe to the channel so that way you can see the content and follow along with all of my journeys. So, Aventura Hotel is actually one of the prime value hotels that Universal Orlando offers, which is the middle tier because they have the Signature Collection, which is the top tier, and then they have the Value Inns and Suites, which is the bottom tier. Don't get me wrong, they're all really great, but this is considered one of their prime value hotels. So if you're looking to stay at somewhere nice but not overly spend, then this is probably one of the locations that you would want to stay at. So here we are in the lobby. As you can see, it is quite spacious. Over there are the elevators to lead to your rooms. So that thing on the right hand side, that blue and white thing with the blue light at the very bottom, is actually the hotel's robot. It's the name is actually Relay, and it brings small items such as towels, toiletries, or snacks directly to your guest room. So if you wanted to order some small things, you can have it delivered by a robot. And as you saw, we just passed the Universal store, so you can also purchase some Universal merchandise within the hotel itself. And you can also get your morning Starbucks, so that way you don't have to worry about heading over to the park before getting it. Because we all know you need your morning coffee before you can actually wake up and have some fun. So over here is like the cafeteria area where you can get some small sweets or some small meals or snacks. So here you have some fruit, and you have some pastries and donuts and fruit. And then over here, you're going to have some hot food options. And they do even have a menu up there. You may have to zoom in or pause to read the screen of what is offered here. The food is surprisingly good and has several different options for you to choose from. And over here is the warming area where you go to pick up your food, and it'll stay nice and warm if you need a couple seconds to go grab it. And then of course you have like your refrigerator area to grab some drinks. And then down over this way, of course, you have your trash area, so that way you can go ahead and throw everything away that you don't need anymore. And here is a nice little warming station, so if you got any bagels and you want to toast it, you can go there. You do have the drink machine and then also coffee. So if you chose to opt out of the Starbucks option, you can choose the free option here. And then of course, there is this dining area full of seating where you can eat your food that you've just picked up. Or while you're waiting, you can go ahead and grab a seat because they will give you one of those vibrating buzzers. So here you can also grab some gelato, which is really cool. I think it was early in the morning, so they were kind of closed at the moment. You can also purchase some cookies here that was in the display case, but at the moment there weren't any yet because again, it was early. And over here you can grab some pizza, so you can go ahead and order it and wait for it to be ready and then come and grab it. Also, don't forget that because this is one of Universal's properties, you can also use your annual pass if you are a pass holder of the Premier or the Preferred pass holder. So you can get that discount here as well, both for the merchandise and for your food here. Now we're going to go ahead and step outside to the pool area. So here you have a little bit more seating, as you can see. So if you wanted to eat outside and enjoy the nice breeze when it's not 100 million degrees outside, you can go ahead and grab a seat here. And over this way, we are going to go ahead and walk over to the actual pool area. You do need your room key in order to access the pool. And for some reason, when I was doing it, I was having such a hard time on the right-hand side. And once I switched over to the left, I was able to open it no problem. I'm not sure what happened over there on the right, but just in case it happens to you, just go ahead and check on the left-hand side and see if that one works for you. As you can see, there are chairs where you can sit at with tables. So if you want to grab your meal and eat them out here, you can do that all as well over by the pool. There are also lounge chairs way in the back over there that you can see, and you can use their pool noodles that are offered for free as well. Now, a really unique feature of this pool is actually that there is underwater audio, and I actually learned about this very recently. So if you go underwater, you can hear the music as well. Most people mistake this as only a feature at the Hard Rock Hotel, but it is also a feature here at the Aventura Hotel as well. So give it a try and dunk your head in so that way you can hear the music as well. Also, for safety, there are lifeguards on duty during the pool hours. And if you have young ones, there is also this little splash area, but it looks like it's not in its full effect at the moment because everything is very droopy. But they do have it there nonetheless. So if you have young ones, I'm sure they won't care how droopy it looks. They will still have fun anyways, because I know my little kids, my 5-year-old and my 2-year-old, they would absolutely love it. Now, heading on up this ramp over here in this direction, you're going to go ahead and see like a little arcade / play area for adults. I mean, kids can also play here as well, but there's like a little ping pong area and some video games up there, little basketball nets. It's a quite little nice little area for you to play if you want to just kind of take a break from being in the pool or being at the parks. And continuing in this direction, you're going to go ahead and see a towel drop-off area up here on the right-hand side. So when you're done with your towels, drop them off right over there. As we keep on going in this direction, we will see the Soul Bar. Grab your drinks, grab your appetizers, and choose a pool. And you can also eat that right over here in these lounge chairs or benches. Heading back into the building of the lobby, don't forget your shirt and shoes because you will be kicked out if you do not put them back on if you've gone into the pool. So if you need anything from the staff, you can always call down to the guest services where you checked in at using your hotel room phone. They will also give you a phone number that you can text for help or anything that you might need for that matter. Heading up to the fitness center, it is on the 2nd floor, and in this direction over here, you can just follow the signs up above as you can see. So when you get off the elevators, you're going to head down this hallway. You're going to see the bathrooms over on the right and then the fitness center over on the left, and you will need your room key to access the gym as well. Remember, it is very cold in here, so if you are not warmed up yet, you might be cold when you walk in. But after doing a couple sets of whatever you have going on, you will be just fine. They offer you some towels and a water fountain, of course, and then a mirror to watch your form. Definitely plenty of machines and weights that you will see over at the other end of the gym. This is a very well stocked gym, so that way you don't have to feel like you don't have what you need here. Okay, everyone, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the comments below.